In this video, I want to show you where you need to pour your brake fluid. Where is the brake fluid reservoir on your Mitsubishi Mirage? So you're gonna pop the hood of your car. Now, I'm at the scrapyard, but what you're looking for is located over here on the top right corner, close to the windshield. This is the symbol you need to see. It's for the brake system. So unscrew it and pour it. Do not pour more than the maximum line. Okay, don't go over it as it is right now, it's over, or under the minimum line. I'll put links towards Amazon if you want to get the fluid. It's much cheaper than going to your dealer. Everybody can do this at home. Once you're ready, once you have filled up, you're gonna put back the cap and make sure to screw it tightly. And this is it. Very easy, right? Leave a like, subscribe, comment also. Okay, leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.